Richard the science guy. Richard the science guy. Oh yeah, Richard the science guy.
It's peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. And there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. Sorry, Brian, it's just not doing it today. Do the peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat.
Bill Nye the science guy is actually Richard, along with Steven! Yeah!
Oh yeah!
Like a boss.
People use simple machines and work every single day. You may not know it, or you may, but it plays a very important part in every single one of our lives. The 6 major simple machines are inclined plane, wedge, screw, lever, pulley, and wheel and axle.
In this case, Steven will be using an inclined plane to make it seem like work is easier. But truly, work is the same, just distributed differently over a greater amount of distance. Steven will use the first example of an inclined plane by using more distance over a less amount of force to achieve the impossible. Look what he has accomplished. Yeah. The second simple machine we will be viewing today is the wedge. A wedge can come in many different shapes and forms, such as that knife or doorstopper. A wedge is just 2 inclined planes put together, used in this case to cut an orange. This delicious orange can only be cut by using a knife or other sharp tool that will most likely be an inclined plane.
Another great example of a wedge is, believe it or not, a zipper, such as this on my pants. A wedge is defined as a thing that brings 2 surfaces together. Oh crap. 2 surfaces together. And in this case, 2 surfaces are the teeth. Okay. Steven will drill through this piece of paper with a screw. A screw is a cylinder with an inclined plane wrapped around it. A screw is very useful in terms of fixing things to other things, or to drill through things and make a hole, like Steven is just about to do. See? Now the paper is stuck permanently to the table. Oh no. Oh, okay. Yeah. Important simple machines out there is the lever. There are 3 types of lever. First class, second class, and third class. Me and Steven, say hi to the camera, Steven. Hi, camera. We are currently riding on a first class lever, a seesaw. In a first class lever, the fulcrum here is in the middle. The fulcrum is what everything else around it pivots around. We also have the output force and the input force. The input force is what you do, and the output force is what the machine results in. Yeah. Behold the second class lever. The fulcrum on this door right here is located on the hinges. My hand will be the input force, what I give the door, and the door itself will be the output force, what the machine itself produces. This is a second class lever because the output force is in the middle, between the fulcrum and the input force. Steven here will demonstrate the third class lever. The fulcrum will be his elbow. The input force will be his hand holding onto the hammer. The output force will be what the hammer produces. He will strike this block of wood. Go! Oh, I missed that. Go again. Lag. Okay. It's lagging so bad. It lags so bad. Not even hitting it. The sound like comes like 5 seconds before the thing actually hits. The pulley can be a very useful tool. Although it does not have a mechanical advantage greater than 1, it still is a very useful tool in changing direction of objects. Steven here wants to bring glory to his family and raise the trophy in their honor. But it would be so much easier to do that with a pulley than his hands. Oh, like a boss. Another great example of a simple machine is the wheel and axle, most commonly seen in a bike. You see, the wheel itself is this right here, and the axle is what the wheel spins around right here. The greater the distance between the wheel and axle, the greater the mechanical advantage is.
Did you get that?
Oh, yeah, like a boss.
You're like, feel on the ground.